Nola Gold gave us a great example of what a 1-3-2-2 attacking system could look like, and essentially it's where you put the forwards on the field. So let's look at what a 1-3-2-2 could look like in action. First of all, it gives you options off that ruck on the return play. You've got 3 forwards and they can either carry with numbers. You've got options to pass the ball to the left or the right, inside or outside, or pull the ball back. And that's exactly what they do here. So that pod of 3 pulls it back to a playmaker. You've got 2 other forwards and the playmaker out back to then start the attacking system. Old Glory operate a passive defense here, and that allows Nola to get into their shape. And number 8, Cam Dolan, is certainly someone you don't want to give space to. But now let's look at the shape again. Here's the 3. This time, instead of a carry, they do a little tip pass. They've still got an option out the back if they need it. Great little tip pass. And now you can see the system. You've got number 2 and number 8, O'Toole and Dolan. They're working back to the right-hand side to preserve that space. Look at this detail here. Number 4, Dodie. Look how he gets back up from the carry, and he's continuing that play on. There's your 2 other forwards. So that's a 3-2. And then as we're going wider, there's Short, who's your 1. Okay, so you're going to see the 3-2-2-1, and you're actually going to see it on the return play as well. 3 forwards. This time they do carry, so that's a third different option from the same shape. Now the ball gets into Coleman's hands. Now you have the 2 forwards. So they're working their way back now. That's a carry. And as they continue with this play here, you're going to see the 2 wide forwards, Dolan and O'Toole. So that's the 1-3-2-2 in perfect example across the field. And this time on the return, they actually play off 10. So it's still the 3 forwards, still the same system, but it's off 10. So now you've got the strong tip play. There's the options within that pod of 3. As we play through and the ball's back into Coleman's hands, you're going to see that 2 once more. They're running slightly different lines this time, but that's the variation this allows. And as this play starts to unfold, on the far side, you've got that solo forward. Number 7 here, Short. That's why he's here. Big, strong, powerful. He can take it to the Old Glory defense. And the 1-3-2-2 system has got them this far. You're going to see now the pod of 3 securing that ball. You've got 2 off 10. They don't use them. They go out the back. And then the final 2, Dolan and O'Toole, finish the play. That was a 1-3-2-2 masterclass from